We went to visit Advanced Photonic Sciences to see how they create and manufacture lasers.
So cool! APS was founded by Dr. David Brown. Dr. Brown is a laser physicist and inventor.
With the help of his team, they even invented the first green miniature laser.
That little green laser is actually how the company got started. Over the last 20 years, they have manufactured over 25,000 units for the forklift industry. They've won 10 Phase 1 and Phase 2 small business innovation research contracts. They also hold 4 world records for laser development.
How cool is it that all of this is happening right in Susquehanna County?
Let's go meet the team.
Hardly find anything that's made in the U.S. So if you guys are interested in manufacturing, this is probably one of the most important things that could be going on in this country right now.
Job responsibilities to me, making Dr. Brown's ideas come to be a real laser, I guess is the best way I could describe it generally. He will conceptualize a laser in his head, and then it's my job to make it become a reality and make it work and make sure that it doesn't fail. A lot of times he's the brains, I'm the body that makes it happen for the most part.
Building plus making sure that everything gets out on time, make sure that the product is satisfactory the way that it's supposed to be.
No, we tend to do just about everything around here. And I kind of like it that way because so job responsibilities are kind of across the board, but one of the nice things about working here is we all tend to support each other. We kind of treat everybody as if we're in a big family here.
In the 17 years I've worked here, I can't imagine all the stuff that I learned. I wouldn't even be able to describe it. It's every single day. To make things that didn't exist before, at the end of the day when I'm driving home, I know that laser or that machine or whatever didn't exist before I created it. And I think that's really fun. I like that on the drive home, knowing that that wasn't there. I created that, I made that, and that gives me a sense of accomplishment.